All right, this is Mr. Ing. Let's go over page 2, the front side. Given the equation for the trig function, tell the amplitude, period, phase shift, and vertical shift. So I'm going to first identify the letters, and you can do that by just writing, so we can zoom in here. Y equals A tangent B, comma, x minus c plus d. So my A is equal to 3, so my amplitude is equal to 3. But remember, that is fake. My B value is pi over 2. Now the period for tangent is pi over b. So pi divided by, that's pi divided by b, my b value is pi over 2. I can make this a fraction by putting over 1. And then I'm going to change this to multiplication. And then flip the second one. So my period is going to be equal to 2. I have a c value that is equal to 1. Remember the silly phrase, add to x, go west or left, but you're not going adding, so you're going to go, this is going to be right 1. And then the vertical shift is d, so d is equal to 3. That's positive, so that's going to go up 3 units. Call their amplitude fake. All right, let's go ahead and try the next one. Y equals tangent 1/2 x minus pi, so I'm going to do the same thing. B x minus c plus d. So my a value is 1. There is a fake amplitude, so which is none, really. My b value is 1/2. And remember, the period is pi over b. 2 pi over b is for cosine, sine, secant, cosecant. Pi divided by 1/2. Put over 1, changes to multiplication, and you're flipping that one. So my period is going to be 2 pi. My phase shift, notice the subtraction sign, I'm not going to highlight it, so c is equal to pi. And add to x, go west or left. This one's going to the right. So you're not adding, subtracting, so it's opposite, so right pi. Remember, another way of thinking about it is the c value is positive. And then the vertical shift is your d value, so there is no d value, so it's a plus 0. So d is equal to 0, so there is none. There is no phase shift. All right, let's do the last one. Put in my letters. Okay, this one has a plus sign, and I like to change my plus signs to minuses. So if I were doing the original problem now, below the one with the letters, I would have cotangent x minus pi plus, minus 2. So a value is 1, and this is a fake amplitude, so there is none. My b value is equal to 1, so my period is pi over b, so that would just be pi over 1 or just pi. My c value, remember, don't get that negative sign. The reason why I changed the plus sign to a minus because the formula has a minus, so same, different. C is equal to a negative pi. Okay, so here you can use the silly phrase, add to x, go west or left, so left pi, or because your c value is less than 0 or is negative, then you're going left. And then d value, whatever it is over here, d is -2. This means down 2 units. So that was the first 3 questions on page 2 on the front side.